Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to learn next in the comment section. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Exness and also link it to your MetaTrader or MT5. Without wasting my time, let's get started. Okay, so you download the Exness app. Okay, Exness, as you can see, it's over here, Exness. Okay, so then you launch it. When you create the account successfully, you see the dashboard like this. Okay, so you can see trades over here, the market, the performance and all those stuff. Okay, but since I've not created any profile yet, or let's say a sub account in this particular Exness account, I'll head over to create new. Okay, so in this section you are going to choose whether to go in for a demo account or a real account. In simple understanding, demo account means you are going to just try some trades without using real money. Okay, and the real account means you are going to deposit money and use it for the trade. Okay, so let's assume you are ready to take the risk. Okay, so you're going for real account, right? Okay, so you see options like standard cents and pro. Okay, since we are beginners, I'll suggest you going for the standard account, which has a minimum of $10. Okay, with a spread of 0.20. Don't worry, I'll explain this in my next video, but for now let's just go in for the standard account. Okay, so let's tap on continue. All right, so over here you're going to select the currency. Okay, but for some purpose let's just go in for the USD. Okay, which is the United States dollars. Okay, so you just maintain this. You can choose to rename it. Okay, so let me just do it 1000 project. Okay, you can leave it like that. And also the leverage depends. Oh shit, I went back. Okay, let's continue from the leverage. Okay, so the leverage, it depends on how you're going to risk your account. Okay, but this is the default one. I suggest you're going for the default one. All right, so you just leave it like that. Okay, so you come back and tap on continue. All right, then here you are going to enter or create a new password. Okay, you're going to create a new password. So as you can see, I'm creating a new password. All right, so after creating your password, you make sure you go in for all the things they are requiring for. Okay, after that you tap on continue. All right, so our account is created now. You wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, I have $0 over here. If I want to trade, I'll just tap on this trade button. Now start trading. That's assuming I have money in my account. Okay, if you don't have money, you just tap on deposit, then you deposit real money. All right, so after trading it and you get some profit, you can just tap on withdraw, follow the prompts or follow the procedures, and you just withdraw into your account. All right, so this how you are going to link it to your MT5 or your MetaTrader. Okay, so you tap on this button over here, this particular one, these three dashes. So you tap on it, go to settings. All right, so as you can see, you can see login and server over here. This is what you are going to use together with your password in the MT5 for it to work. Okay, so let's go back to our MT5. Okay, where's my MT5? Here's my MT5. Okay, I'll tap on it and make sure I launch it. When it comes, you see the interface like this. All right, as you can see, there are some markets ongoing. That's not the purpose of this video, so let's just skip it. Okay, so you come to the settings button. Okay, you're going for new account. Tap on new account. Then you go back to the Exness, copy this server. Okay, so as you can see, I've already copied it. Then you paste it over here. Okay, so when it pops up, you just select it. Okay, so as you can see, it has selected Exness. You confirm whether that's the same Exness. As you can see, this one is Exness MT5 Real 31, but it's showing Exness MT5 Real 2, which means you have to change it to 31. Let's just confirm whether it's 31. Okay, 31. So you scroll down. 31. Okay, so 31 is over here. When you don't select the particular server, it's not going to work for you. All right, so after selecting the server, you go back to Exness, copy your login. Okay, so this is your login. You paste your login over here. Then after, you enter the password you created in your Exness account. Okay, so this is my password and I'm done. That's it. I've connected my Exness account to my MT5 or MetaTrader trader successfully. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also let me know in the comment section what you want me to do a video on. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.